What I wish I knew about Finnish cuisine instead of just meatballs. Today we're tackling a Finnish reindeer burger that'll make your taste buds dance. First things first, let's get our ingredients ready. We've got ground reindeer, don't worry, venison works just as well, mixed with a bit of smoked reindeer for that extra oomph. Mix in an egg, a splash of olive oil, and season with good old salt and pepper. Get in there with your hands and form a patty. Heat up a cast iron skillet for a solid 15 minutes. Trust me, this step is key. Add a glug of olive oil, then get that patty sizzling. Toss in your chanterelle mushrooms and onion rounds, and let the magic happen. Once your burger's beautifully browned, flip it and lay on those glorious gouda slices. Flip the onions too, so they get a nice char. Now, while the cheese melts, let's assemble him. Spread mayo and Dijon mustard on the toasted brioche bun, add some butter lettuce, then pile on the mushrooms and a slice of tomato. Finally, baste that burger with some melted butter for extra flavor. Pop it on the bun, add those grilled onions, and crown it with the top bun. And there you have it, a Finnish reindeer burger that's sure to impress you. Serve immediately and enjoy. Happy cooking, everyone!